You can check out the latest version of an asset to edit it. When you check out an asset, Media Management locks it to prevent other users from overwriting the content. Checked out assets display a checked out status icon. When you check in the asset, you must provide a new version of the asset. Media Management keeps the previous version of the asset as well as the new modified version. To check out a single asset, position your pointer on the asset and click More, Checkout. To check out multiple assets, select the assets that you want to check out and, on the action bar, click More, Checkout. The navigation bar indicates if there are assets checked out. Navigate to the Checked Out page to see the checked out assets. When you're ready to check in a single asset, position the pointer over the asset and then click More, Check In. Or, to check in multiple assets, select the assets that you want to check in and then click Check In. Drag the new versions into the upload area or click Browse for All to upload new versions of the assets. When you're finished, click Check In.